Welcome to Joomla Intel tutorial videos.
Hey, what you do before you install Joomla? So that at the end of the day, you won't be having problem. You need to check your hosting environment and check, particularly if they do not support cPanel. Also, you may need to ask your host how flexible the hosting is. Regarding changing of PHP version, PHP INI usage, some special Joomla information and so on. Now check PHP version. Let's go into it. Now, different Joomla version require different PHP versions. So we have had some Joomla in the past. We had Joomla 1.5, we have Joomla 1, Joomla 1.5, but nobody is using that now. So we shouldn't be talking about that in 2026. So those that are common now are Joomla 3, even like a lot of people no longer support Joomla 3, but but a lot of people are still using. So for Joomla 3 now, it requires PHP 5 to Joomla to PHP 7. The recommended PHP version is 7.2. For Joomla 4, requires between PHP 7.2 to PHP 8.1. Recommended version is 8.0 to 8.1. Now, Joomla 5 requires 8.1 to PHP 8.3. Recommended PHP version is 8.2. Joomla 6 requires between 8.1 to PHP 8.4. Recommended PHP version is 8.3. Now, if you want to develop your Joomla now, it's fresh, I will recommend you install Joomla 6. It has a better feature than any other Joomla version. So, now, PHP extension. If Joomla does not see any of this, Joomla will collapse. So we have MySQLi or PDO underscore MySQL. We have the JSON, we have LBC, we have OpenSSL, we have all. So we have zip, we have XML, we have file info, we have GG or image kick. So also we have OP catch international, either the INTL, we have others. Others may include iron key. No, I don't think for extension that really supports Joomla that is uploaded to the Joomla community, iron key will not be allowed because they use it to encode the code which Joomla does not support. So we have this type of performance. Joomla is a database business, so this speed matters. Otherwise, the website may not be fast enough. So you have to ask if they have an NVMe SSD. That's the best thing. If they do not, SSD is acceptable. But don't accept HDD question in this 2026. So server resources that may be needed for Joomla we have RAM. The RAM should be 1 gig. It is recommended they have 2 gig plus. They should have at least 1 core CPU. And SP process should be 20 plus. Okay. For security features, they should have free SSL. So that if you don't have money for the paid one, this will work. They should have workflow mode security. Malware scanning should be there. Account isolation, so cloud Linux should be there. Regular OS and PHP patching should also be present. Email hosting, because we'll be having a Joomla form and some other form. It is recommended you have a standard email hosting. So at times, PHP hosting is enough. But it is very important you ask this question. Do they have SMTP access for host or external? Do they have SPF, DK, IM support? no aggressive email blocking. This will not allow your contact form to be filled, and email you send will not be landing in spam. Judge. Very important, particularly if you have extensions that are used to schedule tasks, Akida backups, settlement, stock synchronization, SEO plugin. You should ensure cron jobs is allowed and it's flexible. It shouldn't be one per day. You should have if they support Joomla 4, 5, and 6. First thing that they should know Joomla, and another thing that they should be supporting Joomla. So most things does not support Joomla. So you have to ask if they support Joomla. And then so that when there is a problem, they'll be able to get expertise from their end to help you to resolve it, or tell you what to do to resolve it. Everything shouldn't be pushed to you and to name Joomla you. If that is the case, you may have problem continue with it. So that's for that. They should have one click installer, Joomla installer, subpackloss installation. They should support Joomla 5. And after your installation, always try to update manually, because most of their Joomla scripts may not be updated to the latest version. They should support Joomla 5, they should support Joomla 6. So it's very, very important they support both Joomla 5 and 6. It shouldn't end with Joomla 3 and 4. So you should ask them, in case you want to upgrade your hosting, is it easy for you to update without losing your data? Can they increase resources without migration? As in, maybe you want to increase your what is it called, your disk space, your bandwidth, and you should ask them that will you be able to do that without losing your data? Whereby they will tell you to first of all pull it download your web file and database, and then you upload.
Thank you for watching this video. If you learned something from this video, please subscribe now, like and comment on the topic you would want us to treat next. Thank you in anticipation.